Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, the investigatory chamber of the FIFA Ethics Committee has acknowledged receipt of a request for an investigation to be launched into the conduct of a president of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, on the grounds that he breached the code of ethics of world football's governing body. Now, Keon Rayner has the details in this TVJ Sports follow-up.
TVJ Sport has obtained email correspondence sent from the Secretariat of the Investigatory Chamber of the FIFA Ethics Committee on October 12, 2020, with the subject, Code of Ethics Breach by Mr. Michael Ricketts. It was in response to a Mr. Courtney McFarlane, who hours earlier had written to the 12 members of the FIFA Ethics Committee and FIFA General Secretary Fatma Samora requesting that they investigate an ethics breach of Section 22 by Ricketts. Section 22 of the FIFA Code deals with discrimination and defamation. It carries a sanction including a fine of 10,000 Swiss francs or US $11,000, as well as a ban on taking part in any football-related activity for a maximum of 2 years. Section 22 states that, quote, persons bound by this code are forbidden from making any public statements of a defamatory nature towards FIFA and or towards any other person bound by this code in the context of FIFA events. Up to sports time, efforts to get a response from Mr. Ricketts were unsuccessful, as repeated calls to his cell phone went straight to voicemail. The request to FIFA came out of a default court ruling handed down by the Jamaica Supreme Court on September 8, 2017 against Ricketts, who did not contest the charges laid against him by Mr. Ainsley Lowe 3 years ago. According to the court documents, Lowe had claimed that the JFF boss used derogatory language in reference to him as he challenged for the JFF presidency. Ricketts is now waiting for the final hearing on June 8, 2021 to know what damages he will be required to pay Mr. Lowe. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.